I'm JC at Motorcycle Superstore, and I've got Dunlop's brand new Geomax MX32 front tire. This is part of a new series in Dunlop's family. The Geomaxes have basically gone down to a two-tire lineup. MX32 for soft and intermediate, MX52 for intermediate and hard pack. Now, this tire is really pretty cool. It's basically designed to do a couple different things. One, provide traction, but riding your motorcycle isn't all about traction. It's also about comfort and control. Now, Dunlop, in their development process there in Huntsville, Alabama, they've done a good job of accommodating that by designing this tire to absorb impacts very, very well. So that's a big feature or a big highlight point for them when they're building this. What you get with this tire in terms of its construction, first off, the carcass has been tuned for flexibility. So special rubber compounds, special indents in the carcass. This is going to allow for lots of flexibility, lots of give in this tire. The idea is in the soft and muddy conditions, you don't necessarily want this thing to be super rigid. You want it to be able to flex a little bit and grab onto that terrain because it's already hard enough. Now, in the block design, one thing you notice right away, there are no tie bars on any of these blocks. That's been eliminated, so you're not going to find those tying these things together. That's part of the reason how they increase the flexibility of this tire to help it work better in those really muddy conditions. Now, in addition to that, there's actually less knobs on this tire than on the previous version, which was the MX31 tire. So the MX32 here has less tire blocks, and they do this because it provides better traction in the sense that it's going to dig better. These are able to get into the soft soil, the mud, the loam really well, very deeply. And these middle knobs, these have been staggered. So what they do basically is turn these at different angles. So what you get, different angles, different edges, different pitches. This is going to help dig into that terrain much more efficiently. Also, you'll notice the side blocks. These are very similar to the previous version. These are very chiseled. That's one of the ways that it's actually going to dig when the tire is leaned all the way over in that maximum turning capacity. Now, another thing that's important to remember about this tire, it's directional now. So it's meant to spin actually in this configuration. When you're mounting it, you really have to pay attention to that now. It's designed to work going one direction. So that's a new feature as well. It's going to give you better control. It's a bummer that you can't flip it around, but it's better because it's going to actually give you increased performance. The sizing on this tire, it's available in a wide smattering. It's going to fit any type of front rim you might have. So mini bikes, it goes from 10, 12, 14, 17, 19, and 21 inch rims. So basically any motocross bike it's going to fit. An important thing to remember, it obviously has a matching rear tire, the MX32. That's only available for big bikes in 19-inch rim sizes. So take a look at some of the offerings from Dunlop. Make sure you're getting the right setup. Very, very exciting. It's awesome to see Dunlop pour technology into this and actually make it a little easier for consumers because now there's only 2 tires to choose from instead of 3. It works on a wider range of terrain, works with a wider range of bikes, a wider range of riders. So very, very exciting. The Geomax MX32 is available at Motorcycle Superstore starting in March 2014. Find the right size for you online on the website, and don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. See some more product videos.